Mike Reynolds cooking pancakes.
How do you do?
Uh,
Julia chimes.
That thing almost rolled down the hill like. That goes. When you heard it going ding ding ding, hey, what was that?
Yeah.
Oh, nothing. It's all good.
It's all good. Yeah, it's all good. I don't know what you would have said, Jim, as you probably if it would have went like
Hey,
over
Mike, your
Crevasse.
pot rolled down the hill there.
Oh, is that what happened when he... Nothing.
Hey, no, it didn't go all the way. But I can picture it going like
Hey,
a
man,
tire.
it's bubbling.
Holy
That's a sign of it's done.
Yeah, I know.
No, but...
That's
I don't
international.
think so. No, we're at 6,000 feet is the problem.
Listen to this guy, pancake expert.
No,
Oh, you gotta account for
the holes go all
elevation.
the way... Would you shut the hell up? The holes go all the way through. It's not normal. I don't know the temperature. Pancakes are supposed to be 350. Let me turn it down. So. If it's too much, then it can't.
350. Who measures the temperature of their pancakes?
I have a grill that has a temperature on it, and it says to cook pancakes at 350 to 375.
Oh
Hello.
man, are you kidding me?
Okay,
Most guys just kind of like wait till
Wing
one
it.
side's cooked
Brown.
and the other
Yeah, you have to
side's
flip the edge. Brown. Okay, flip it.
When's the last time you cooked pancakes?
last weekend.
Bullshit. Laura cooked the pancakes.
No, I cooked pancakes. Thank you very much.
Hey, the ranger didn't drive by and complain about our sawing up the wood around here.
Hey, come on now.
That was done years ago, Ranger.
Whoa, 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 whoa! Oh,
There goes the plate.
it's black.
It's
Oh, not even cooked.
Oh, well.
You are a master.
Well, we're at 6,000 feet. You can't tell what's going on. It looks like sourdough.
6,000 feet. Just leave it on there. We want to smell it done.
Yeah, this is not going to be your mama's.
We'll get some salami and put it in the middle. Roll it up. That works.
Plus, this thing wasn't the grill. It takes a while to heat the whole contraption. Alright, nobody be a syrup hog.
I only had 2 things come loose on my right-hand side, interestingly enough. They came loose.
I had one I fixed in the middle of the night.
Ooh. Wow. Wow. Bad flip.
Fuck.
Just leave it. Let it brown.
That's top. It's top.
That looks good. That looks good, baby.
Oh, that's fine.
This is going to be in trouble over there. I'll have to wait till it... It's very... I've never flipped a pancake that feels like it's mostly air.
Great big bird comes along. Takes it
So,
near
so, I don't know who wants to eat the first one, but it'll be a couple minutes.
there.
I should move those plates a little closer.
Okay, go ahead, Jim.
Sure.
Oh, that's up the plate.